Welcome to our channel. Today we how to change your Uber pickup location, app guide step by step clearly. Open the Uber app on your phone and make sure you are signed in. Check that your internet connection is active so the map can load correctly. Allow location permissions if the app asks, because Uber needs your GPS to show nearby streets. Look at the home screen and find the pickup location field near the top of the map. Tap the pickup location field to open the location editor. If you see current location, tap it to begin changing the pickup point. Use the search bar to type an address, place name, or landmark for your pickup. Select the correct result from the list to set it as your pickup location. If you prefer using the map, tap the map area to switch to pin placement. Drag the pin to the exact spot where you want the driver to meet you. Zoom in with 2 fingers to place the pin more accurately on the correct side of the street. Check the street name and building number shown to confirm the pin is in the right place. If the app shows multiple pickup points, choose the one that matches your entrance or corner. Tap Confirm or Done to save the updated pickup location. Now review the pickup notes area if it appears, and add details like gate number or floor. Make sure your destination is also correct, because changing pickup can affect route and price. If you have not chosen a ride type yet, select UberX, Comfort, or another option you want. Before requesting, look at the pickup icon on the map one more time to confirm accuracy. If the driver is already assigned, tap the driver details and check if Edit Pickup is available. If Edit Pickup is available, tap it and move the pin or search again for the new spot. If Edit Pickup is not available, message the driver with the in-app chat to explain the new meeting point. Use clear directions like a store name, main entrance, or a safe pullover area. If the area is busy, choose a safer nearby pickup spot like a side street or pickup zone. If you are at an airport or station, follow the app's suggested pickup areas for that location. If your GPS is inaccurate, wait a few seconds, then toggle location services off and on and reopen the app. If the map still looks wrong, type the after everything looks correct, tap Request to order your ride with the updated pickup location. Stay near the chosen spot and watch the driver's progress on the map to avoid missed pickups. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.